it's kind of interesting because now my appetite is really starting to pick up that it's later in the day. This is always when I get the hungriest, is around like between 6 to 10 p.m. So I'm gonna have a huge meal right now. So this is a big Tupperware full of chili that my mom made for me. So what my mom will do is she'll cook for me, I'm pretty lucky in this sense, either salmon or spaghetti or chili, like 3 or 4 nights a week, and just give that to me in Tupperware with the macros. You know what I'm saying? With the macros. So basically it just makes it really easy for me to track. So I'm gonna eat all of this. This is a 3-cup serving of chili. And in here, actually I'm gonna heat it up first and I'll show you what we got. So when I don't know, like if there's nothing to input, because obviously my mom made the chili, I don't wanna put in everything individually. I'll just add, like in my FitnessPal, I'll just go protein macro. You can search for that, and then I'll just add 62 grams of protein for that meal. And then I'll just add fat macro, carb macro, because my mom, does up these macros. So if you have a recipe and you know the content, you can just put it in individually like that. It needs to de-thaw a little bit, but you can see we got some chickpeas in here. We got some kidney beans, ground turkey, some peppers, garlic in there. It's just super healthy meal. Probably my most healthy meal of the day. Super high fiber, and I like to have fiber later at night. 1, gonna help me feel more satiated, and 2, is gonna slow the rate of digestion a little bit. So I tend to have a bit of a longer overnight fast. Like it'll usually be maybe 10 or 12 hours that I go without eating. So I try to cram a lot of fiber in, eat slower digesting sources of protein later in the day. So anyway, gonna heat this up again and enjoy. Do a little taste test.